Hey, so I want to announce two things on the channel right here, and I'm so excited about this. I've been wanting to do this for a long time, right? So the first off is I want to do more things with my own Discord. So you guys probably don't know this, even though I've had a Discord for a while there. Let's say, for example, if you struggle trying to do the tricks on my channel, right? Over there I can help you learn how to do that. On top of that, people show each other new tricks and all that type of stuff. Really cool. Really awesome. So I want to do more with that. So what I'm going to do is that the tutorial is going to come out today. It's going to be a short. It's going to be like this wrist mount, but you end up it's on your thumb. So is it really your wrist mount? It's kind of weird, but it's pretty cool. I think it'd be very cool if you guys can use that into a combo, right? There's something really cool with that, and I'll feature that as a tutorial, right? So you guys have 1 week to do that, right? Second thing that I want to announce, and I've been so excited for it. I'm so serious. I've been working on this for months, and like for it to finally work out, I'm very happy about it. You probably already heard about it if you follow me on like Instagram or you've seen the Reddit post on that. Check this out. I got a new yo-yo, so my own yo-yo drop. Pretty cool, cute little anime girl on there. See that? So there's not enough anime yo-yos in my opinion, so I wanted to make my own. I'm so serious. I think it's a pretty cool way to help support me. I have a Ko-Fi on there, but the Ko-Fi, when you support me, you don't get anything back, right? This is a cool way where you can help support my channel, help my tutorials, while also getting something back. So I think it's pretty cool. It's free shipping, by the way. Free shipping worldwide. Don't matter where you are. Worldwide shipping. Nice. It is going to be $65.69. So yeah. So something I need to highlight is that there's only going to be 30 of them ever. It's a very limited amount, and I think right now there's only 24 of them right now. The thing is, I think it'd be very cool to make more yos in the future if this does well, right? But I want it to be like a new design every single time. I don't want to do this one old design over and over again. I want it to be like every single time I release new yo-yos, hey, cool new design and all that type of stuff. So I have a link to go get that over in the right below the like button, the description box, right? I'll have a little link to that. And yeah, that's about it. See ya.